Hi all, and welcome back to the Europe's Cup 4 build. And I got some new numbers from 94 going to 96. So this is the next episode, and I'm gonna unclamp the guitar. Knocking down some walls, I believe. So next thing I have to do is to saw along the lines along the outside, and then make the route for the sunk in top plate.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna saw some slots in here to make it more bendable and pliable. So here goes the first slot. Let's get the rosette cut out.
The next day.
Well, I did do some work on the top plate. Among others this rosette. But in the meanwhile I'm also working on the pickup and the bridge. I'm gonna give a summary of what I did this week, and it's working on the top and, well, getting a nice sound hole, a hole for the pickup, the hole for the bridge, volume and tone, and I'm now working on the switches. So that's one thing I did, and well, to get pickup, and there's the block which only sits on the top like this, and it will nicely fit like this. So that will hold the pickup at the right height. Well, these are the blocks where the studs go in for the bridge, so they are nice and firm. I had this plate and needed something to place in the cone, so I drilled out with my 7 holes this, well, kind of a tunnel for the sound hole. What I'm going to do now is send these 2 holes for the switches. And a nice check. Well, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna go for some polyester. Next thing, I'm gonna get out a sander, but I'm not gonna show you.
One eternity later.
And after sanding it, looks something like this. I'm gonna make a filler for the ring and gonna fill the ring. Well, I got the top plate ready and glued all parts. I got the earth wire, and for the piezo, the wire. So the bridge fits well. And the next thing I'm gonna do is this top, fit it on this. Body. Well, got the glue in the top. 20th of May 2026. So, signed and done, and now place the top. And after a nice bit of clamping, I got the body all clamped up. I let it all dry for tonight.
The next day.
I had a quite productive week. It was building the body, and it's became a nice body. Well, I would want you to hear something of this body, and that's a nice ring to it. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to follow what I'm doing with the guitar, you can always subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with you for the routing of the sound hole and the channel, which I also will have a blue line in it. So I say to you all, see you next week.